Okay, here's the first on the air simulated transmission. Hopefully you'll be able to copy this. As you can see, the key speed's 13 words a minute. It will be spaced to approximately 5 words a minute. And let me know if you copy this. I'll be sending on the venture paddles. And I don't think we need the Ameritron for this one, but it's on standby. Let me know what you got. I lied a little bit. The spacing's a little bit closer. So if you copied it, we'll see. And I'll tell you the formula later on how to determine exactly what that was as far as speed goes.